Wicked. Wicked birds. Wicked birds of the sky. Wicked birds of the sky. Wicked birds of the sky. I'm always riding hard. I'm always making the love notes. I'm always like the boys in the motherfucking hood. I'm always with the biker chain. I always got my motherfucking hood up so I can hear the motherfucking rocket to the ratchet to the motherfucking MC Williams. We always down for the motherfucking hatchet. This motherfucking female from Florida came with a motherfucking white Toyota in motherfucking 2018. She already hit the motherfucking Bloomsburg. Why the fuck can't you type your motherfucking car in the phone? Now I'm tired of backing this shit was shit up. This shit was already wrote. In 18 motherfucking years, I've never met a motherfucking good cop. I'm tired of spitting this motherfucking rhyme with a motherfucking ratchet, like a motherfucking ratchet, like a rocket. I already found the socket in the motherfucking street to make the cat tracks on Macari. Now, spit your motherfucking rhyme. We already did the motherfucking time. We're always global. I'm tired of hitting the motherfucking mobile. Fuck this shit. I'm always with the motherfucking bad bitches. If you a bad bitch, you gonna drive your motherfucking matchet like a ratchet to the motherfucking studio and hop out that side skirts. Stop playing with me at that motherfucking... Nah, we ain't gonna do that. In 2021, we gonna hit the motherfucking par button, cause I'm always down for the motherfucking grub. Now I'm not gonna keep grinding like a motherfucking broke, cause I already got the chopper motherfucking sign. In 2012, I already did this. Now I'm always hitting the motherfucking time. I already did the motherfucking time. I'm not fucking around. You still spitting a motherfucking rhyme in PA, but you can't even get out your side skirts. Fuck that shit, cause I already fucked up the track and fucked up everybody's motherfucking face and blood. I'm tired of hearing this motherfucking shit. I'm no fake motherfucking gangster. Stop spitting your fucking rhyme. I'm not joking. I'm always like a motherfucking wicked motherfucking Marshmallow 2018. That's gonna rip out your motherfucking time. I'm looking for the cash racks. I already hit the motherfucking A button. $700 motherfucking dollars spit the fuck out in 2012, 2018. Stop spitting.